Imagine you had an entire team of finance experts analyzing the entire US market and showing you what they find. Now, I know there's a lot of questions, conspiracies, and dissenting opinions about the Motley Fool out there all over the internet. I've been a customer and a follower of the Motley Fool for 3 years, and I'm sharing my experience based on historical fact and numbers. Today, we're embarking on an experiment to statistically analyze whether or not the Motley Fool is worth it. So here's what I did. I went back to 2017 and I compared the 24 picks that you would have gotten if you paid for the Stock Advisor newsletter from the Motley Fool to a random sample of 24 free stocks that you could have selected from their hundreds of free stocks that they recommend every year. And the results are in. As you can see, their free stock picks had a lot of big winners, a couple losers, but the overall majority were really good recommendations. If you would have invested equally in all of these stocks when they recommended them in 2017, today your returns on the overall portfolio would have been 91.45% if you would have invested that same amount of money in the S&P 500 on January 1st, 2017. And since then, the S&P 500 has returned 75.65%, which means that the Motley Fool free stock picks crushed the S&P 500. But how did the paid Stock Advisor recommendations stack up? So using the same calculations from their recommended price when they recommended it in 2017 to yesterday's close, here are the returns of each individual stock that the Motley Fool Stock Advisor recommended throughout 2017. As you can already tell, there's a little bit more green on this list, with only one of their stocks today being down, which is 3M. And as you can also see, there's a couple multiple 100% returns and even one 1200% return, the Trade Desk. If you would have invested an equal amount of money into each of the Motley Fool Stock Advisor's picks back when they recommended them, today your portfolio would have returned a massive 214.01%. And again, compared to the S&P 500, that is almost triple the return of the overall market since 2017. So short story is, if you invested in 2017 and followed any of the Motley Fool's advice, it looks like you could have made out pretty well. But as far as the question, is the Motley Fool worth it? It would absolutely be worth it to pay for the Motley Fool's premium stock picks as compared to the S&P 500 or any of their free content. To allocate a portion of your portfolio to growth stocks like the Motley Fool recommends through their free content and their paid content isn't necessarily a bad idea. Disclaimer, of course, past performance does not at all indicate future performance, but if we're talking numbers, the Motley Fool has had consistent market-beating performance since it was founded. So in short, I would definitely pay attention to the Motley Fool's free content and work it into your research. But if you are interested in getting their premium stock picks, check out the link in the description below to learn more. Hope you guys enjoyed this breakdown. Peace out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.